Past people of Don Bosco Technical School Shillong haka khadway terik urisaw arhajar arpusan kala penlong ya jingiakynduh lang jongki kena school barim ka Don Bosco Technical School lain khra Shillong ka bejulong sisen sisnam ha Don Bosco Technical School Shillong nadu kapor lai baji hadu phra baji janmet la seng ya kene ka kanhun house nam khat khandai spa lai puar hapo jing betin dan ti jongki padar ke brother Salesian of Don Bosco but man laus nam klem jing sange la jupan long ya kani ke jingiakynduh ha gate ka school las dang ya ka program la ka mas bakhut ha ka ba ya ka mas la penbenta da father John Zoziama Provincial Salesian Shillong Province ha jingkran jungu ha kani ke sngi father John ula banjur ba ka jingstang jong ke jingseng ya ka kanhun ki khna school barim Don Bosco kala jia hadin baki khna oratory ki balami na ka jingsha hikai Don Bosco haturin kalawan phai ban ai khublai ya ukpa ki samla Don Bosco namar kijing duriap jongu ban penlong brio ki bat kelala ban yang hala ki jong ki jat what happening kijing hiran ka perthai ha ka por jong ka industrial revolution ha Europe hadin kamas kala don sa ka program bat ka annual report na general secretary bat finance secretary bat la budru sadaki jingele kai ki baper da ki khna puli kiba menta bat kiba sa ha hostel kiba penyap mat ikinong ya simenta
jadi sesuatu kalau kayaknya sini pun balik kayak mana ini semua yang sudah gone aha days kalau kita buat sudah balik jadi gone are the days when my heart was young and gay. Gone are my friends from the cotton fields away. Gone from the earth to a better land I know. I hear the gentle voices calling home like you. I'm coming. Clap by you can walk. For my head is bending low. I hear the gentle voices calling home back to where are the hearts once so happy and so free, the children so dear that they left on vanity, gone from the street to a better land I know. I hear the gentle voices calling home back to coming. But my head is bending low. I hear the gentle voice calling home back to and this is a wonderful song, but there is a very beautiful song which especially the past people aged, they know this song very much. It is actually sung at the end of the issue. But I'll sing now because we don't have. But to make your presence here today, you always remember. This song should remain for the rest of your life. For the rest of your life. To always pray for the others, to always unite. Because we have, when you come here, remember the motto of Don Bosco. Know, love one another, and always keep united. If you are united, everything will happen. So now, the name of the song is, he is in hurry, I know. He's thinking. Anyway, the name of the song, can you guess what song I did? No. Right? Do you remember? May the good Lord bless it.
Oh, very
Listen
good.
to the words. May the good Lord bless and keep you. And you ponder and concentrate on this. It's a very, very beautiful number. Yes. May the good Lord bless and keep you. Whether near or far away, may you find the long-awaited golden day today. May your troubles all be small ones, and your fortune 10 times 10. May the good Lord bless and keep you till we meet again. May you walk with sunlight shining like a bluebird in every tree. May there be a silver lining of every cloud you see. Fill your dreams with sweet tomorrow. Never mind what might have been. May the good Lord bless and keep you till we meet again. May the good Lord bless and keep you till we meet